Hello everyone. Last session we discussed about the direct material variance and direct labor variance. In this session we are going to discuss about overhead variances. According to the terminology of cost accountancy, overhead is defined as the aggregate of indirect material cost, indirect wages and indirect expenses. Overhead cost or indirect cost and are important for the management for the purpose of cost control. Overhead variance can be defined as the difference between the standard cost of overhead allowed for actual output achieved and the actual overhead cost incurred. In other words, overhead cost variance is under or over absorption of overhead. Overhead variance is equal to actual output into standard overhead rate per unit minus actual overhead cost, or overhead variance is equal to standard hours for actual output into standard overhead rate per hour minus actual overhead cost. Overhead cost variance can be classified as two types: variable overhead variance and fixed overhead variances. Fixed variable overhead variance divided into two types. First one, expenditure variance and efficiency variance. And fixed variance may be subdivided into expenditure variance and volume variances. Further volume variances can be three parts, that is capacity variance, second calendar variance and efficiency variance. Today we discuss about variable overhead variances. Variable overhead cost variance is the difference between the standard variable overhead cost for actual output and the actual variable overhead cost. It can be calculated as follows. Variable overhead cost variance is equal to actual output into standard variable overhead rate per unit minus actual variable overheads, or variable overhead variance is equal to standard hours for actual output into standard variable overhead rate per hour minus actual variable overheads. Next, variable overhead expenditure or spending variance. This is the difference between the standard variable overheads for the actual hours and the actual variable overheads incurred. Variable overhead expenditure variance is equal to actual hours into standard variable overhead rate per hour minus actual variable overhead, or variable overhead expenditure variance is equal to actual hours into standard variable overhead rate per hour minus actual variable overhead. Next is variable overhead efficiency variance. It represents the difference between the standard hours allowed for actual production and the actual hours taken multiplied with the standard variable overhead rate. Variable overhead efficiency variance is equal to standard time for actual production into standard variable overhead rate per hour minus actual hours worked into standard variable overhead rate per hour, or variable overhead variance is equal to standard variable overhead rate per hour into standard hours for actual production minus actual hours. Let's have an example. Calculate variable overhead variances from the following data. Budgeted production for January 2005, 3000 units. Budgeted variable overhead 15,000 rupees. Standard time for 1 unit 2 hours. Actual production for January 2005, 2500 units. Actual hours worked 4500 hours. Actual variable overhead 13,500. In this problem we have to calculate overhead variances. First we have to calculate overhead cost variance. Variable overhead cost variance, VOCV, equal to actual output into standard variable overhead rate per unit minus actual variable overhead. In this, actual output is equal to 2500 units. 2500 units into standard variable overhead per unit is equal to, we have to calculate. It is 15,000 divided by 3,000 unit. Budgeted variable overhead 15,000 and budgeted production for units 3,000 minus actual variable overhead. Actual variable overhead is equal to 13,500 equal to 2,500 into 5 minus 13,500 is equal to 2,500 into 5 is equal to 12,500 minus 13,500 is equal to 1,000 minus 1,000. It is unfavorable. This is first one. Next we have to calculate variable overhead expenditure or spending variance. VOEV equal to actual hours into standard variance overhead rate per hour minus actual variable overhead. In this, actual hours is equal to 4,500. Standard variable overhead rate per hour is equal to standard variance overhead rate per hour equal to budgeted variable overhead divided by budget production into time per unit. In this, budgeted variable overhead is equal to 15,000 divided by budget production units is equal to 3,000 units. 3,000 into time per unit, time for 1 unit is equal to 2 hours. 2 equal to 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. We have to implement the formula. Actual hours is equal to 4,500 into 2.5 minus actual variable overhead. Actual variable overhead is equal to 13,500. 13,500. 4,500 into 2.5 is equal to 11,250 minus 13,500 equal to minus 2,250. It is adverse. Next we have to calculate variable overhead efficiency variance. Variable overhead efficiency variance. VOEV equal to standard variable overhead rate per hour into standard hours for actual output minus actual hours. In this standard variable overhead, rate per hour is equal to 2.5. Next, standard hours for actual output is equal to actual production into standard hour. Actual production is equal to 2500 units into standard hour is equal to 2 rupees. Total 5000. VOEV is equal to standard variable overhead rate per is equal to 2.5 into standard hours for actual output is equal to 5000 minus actual hours is equal to 4500 is equal to 2.5 into 500 equal to 1250. It is favorable. Verification. VOCV, variable overhead cost variance is equal to variable overhead expenditure variance plus variable overhead efficiency variance. Variable overhead cost variance is equal to minus 1000 equal to variable overhead expenditure variance is equal to minus 2250 plus variable overhead efficiency variance is equal to 1250. Minus 1000 is equal to minus 2250 plus 1250 is equal to minus 1000.